$21,000, $7,000, and $11,000. These are real payouts people receive just from posting on X. But how realistic is it for you to earn this much? If you're new here, I'm Jacob, and I help people get monetized and start earning payouts on X. In this video, we're going to talk about how much X actually pays and whether it's possible to earn a living on the platform. As opposed to a platform like YouTube that runs on ads, X monetization is powered exclusively by subscriptions. So that means instead of getting paid for ad impressions, monetized creators are paid when verified users engage with their content. For example, if a verified account replies to your post, retweets it, and then bookmarks it, you will earn a small amount for each of those interactions. And this is all made possible by X setting aside 25% of premium subscription revenue to pay back to creators. Also, compared to platforms like YouTube, it's actually pretty easy to get monetized on X. All you need is a premium subscription, 5 million impressions on your posts in the last 3 months, 500 verified followers, and you have to live in a supported country. Once you meet those requirements, you are ready to earn. And speaking of earning, let's now get into how much creators are being paid, which I have organized into 3 tiers. Keep in mind as I show you the numbers that X operates on a bi-weekly payout schedule. At the top, you've got mega earners, which consistently make 4 to 5 figures from their payouts. Examples include Tiffany Fong, Penny, Antonio Brown, Andrew Yang, and others. If we dig into these accounts a little more, we'll start to see a few patterns that explain why they make so much. All of these accounts either A, are known for something outside of X, such as sports, politics, or business, B, already had a large following when monetization was introduced, or C, regularly receive interaction from Elon Musk and other platform elites. Next, you've got regular earners. These accounts consistently earn payouts, but don't quite reach the same level as the mega earners. Examples of these accounts include KSJ, Karata, and Roaring Hammy. It is much more realistic for someone to reach the level of these accounts. All 3 of them started with relatively small payouts and have slowly worked their way up to receiving payouts in the $800 to $1,000 range. And all of them do that with only around 10,000 followers. Then in the bottom tier, you have sporadic earners. These are accounts that may go weeks or even months between payouts. And when they do get paid, it's usually in the 2 to 3 figure range. I won't roast anyone specific here, but these accounts are usually A, just starting out, B, not spending enough time on the platform to earn more, or C, not getting enough verified engagement to earn more. If I was to create a pie chart of these earners, it would look something like this. Mega earners at 5%, regular earners at 20%, and sporadic earners at 75%. So if we're being honest here, the only accounts that are realistically making enough to earn a living are the mega earners. But all of these are either Elon's friends or public figures that make a significant income elsewhere and are simply using X as a way to earn more income. It is extremely unlikely that you will reach their level of payouts right now because payouts are capped based on the number of premium subscribers, and your payout is also proportional to the total amount of engagement on the platform. So unless X sees a large increase in premium subscribers or Elon quote posts you, you're not going to see a 5-figure payout anytime soon. So if you haven't picked it up already, X is a difficult place to earn. It requires spending hours on end glued to your phone with the risk of getting demonetized or shadow banned with no explanation. There is also no transparency about how payouts are calculated and no monetization analytics, so most of the time you have no idea what's going on. Accounts in the second tier are typically spending anywhere from 8 to 12 hours a day on X, and this is spent making a few posts in their regular feed, participating in a space or two, and then spending the rest of their day sending hundreds of replies. According to Social Blade, Karata makes around 300 posts a day, KSJ makes over 400 posts a day, and Hammy makes almost 600 posts a day. That's a full-time job, and they've only just started earning payouts in the $800 to $1,000 range in the past couple months. So it's taken over a year in some cases for them to get here. It's also important to note that all three of these accounts are in a niche with lots of verified accounts. If you're in a niche with less blue checks, you're already going to have less earning potential because you are only paid for verified engagement. So if you're looking for a way to quit your 9-to-5 and start earning a living creating content, X monetization is not that place yet. But before you get discouraged and give up on X altogether, here are a few reasons that you should get started on X. Number 1, we are still early. X monetization has only been around for about 18 months, and if Elon Musk is serious about becoming the best platform for creators, things will only improve with time, and those who were there from the beginning will have a massive head start when everyone starts rushing to X. Number 2, Elon Musk owns the platform. If this guy managed to revolutionize the car industry, build his own rockets, and implant a chip that restores brain function, I think he can figure out social media. Number 3, you just want a place to have fun, share your thoughts, and make a little bit of money along the way. X is a great place for this. You definitely won't be making thousands doing this, but you can certainly earn enough to pay for your premium subscription. Number 4, you are on X already. If you're already using the platform regularly, you might as well get monetized, and then you can still take things at your own pace and earn a little bit of money along the way. If any of these sound like you, I recommend watching this video where I teach you step by step how to get monetized and receive your first payout.